information on the fuselage.
We'll need a full structural assessment before we move it.
We need that lift higher on the starboard wing.
Coming up now, watch the clearance.
Clear the walkway below.
From the polished propeller blades to the iconic invasion stripes, this Mustang is a flawless tribute.
Confirmed wingspan measurement, 37 feet indicated by the lasers. We are documenting the starboard side now.
All teams, maintain tension.
Bravo team reports clear. Coming up now.
Roger that, proceeding slowly. All right, easy now, bring her down slow.
Copy that, supervisor.
Clear on the starboard side, clear on the tail. All clear on this side.
Ready for tension.
Okay, operator, take the slack slowly.
All right, the final bolts are clear. We are ready to lift. Confirming weight and balance parameters on the tablet. Everything looks nominal.
The fuselage diameter here is inconsistent with the 42 revision.
The digital model confirms your reading. Look at the stress points. As you can see, the camera shows some slightly slant, which means something.
Baja despacio, despacio. Check the gap here. Sí, locking the jigs now. El ángulo es perfecto. This geometric precision is vital. The entire aircraft is covered, a testament to the labor-intensive preparation required for the multicolor paint scheme.
Bring it down 20 millimeters.
Steady, steady, it's seated.
Perfect alignment. Let's lock it down. Go ahead and torque it down.
Confirmed. Logging the fit now. All right, hold it right there. Perfect alignment. Secured the lower bolts. The stack is set. Check the pressure lines first.
Fittings are secure. Torquing the main bolts now.
That's 75 foot-pounds.
Sounds good. Go ahead and release the jacks. The pressure at point 4 is stabilizing within tolerance. Confirmed. Flow rate is steady. We are clear to proceed with phase 2.
Fuel pressure.
Set.
Ignition.
Stand by. Engaging.
Clear. Elevator down, check. And elevator up, check. Back to neutral. System checks good. Okay, set heading 330, magnetic compass reads 325. Making the final correction now, check aligned.
Main gear weight reading is stable at 4250.
Okay, 4250 confirmed, and the tail reads 1850.
Roger that. Data logged and verified.
The P-51 Mustang cockpit, meticulously restored to its 1944 configuration. Every dial and switch is period perfect. Every component polished to perfection. A testament to the thousands of hours spent restoring this mechanical masterpiece.
Here we see the M2 Browning 50 caliber machine gun, the standard heavy armament for the US military throughout the conflict.
We elected to keep the original rivet patterns here rather than smoothing them over, preserving that wartime authenticity. This diagram confirms the original interlocking mechanism. See how it connects here. Yes, so the torque specification on page 4.
From the intense dogfights high above Europe to the meticulous work of restoration, the Mustang flies again, a symbol of history preserved.
The signage looks perfect now, the brightness is good.
All right, let's finish the barrier around the propeller.
We need to keep people clear of the shark teeth.
The P-51 Mustang was absolutely pivotal in providing the long-range escort.
How many are still flying today?
Very few, which is...
So how does the public get involved with the restoration process?
That's a great question. We have volunteers helping us bring this Mustang back to life. It's incredible for education. Welcome back to the hangar. Today we're looking at this incredible P-51 Mustang, specifically the engine details and the stunning restoration work.
The laser scanner captures the P-51's complete geometry, creating a permanent digital archive for future generations.
Bring it down slowly. We're looking for perfect alignment with the base mounts. Copy that. Looks centered from here.
We need more chairs on the left side.
Copy that. Moving the seating blocks now.
Is the podium clean yet? Ensure the lens is angled to cover the main fuselage entry point. We need comprehensive coverage on the landing gear bay as well.
This matte finish works well, but are the callouts large enough for the average viewing distance?
Yeah. Let's increase the font size on the specifications here.
The restoration process alone took nearly 5 years. We sourced original parts from around the globe.
And the paint...
So this joystick controls the ailerons, which help the plane roll. See how it works here on the screen?
To the completion of the P-51 restoration, and to the incredible team who made it happen. Congratulations on the successful completion of the project. We are thrilled to finally open the doors.
The Mustang played a pivotal role in securing air superiority during the war. This P-51D model...
We lost so many good men. Every time I see her fly, I remember the ones who didn't come home.
This is where the pilot sits during the intense dogfights.
Look at that propeller, Daddy. It's huge.
Come on, guys. Let's get a great shot with the nose art.
This specific aircraft, a P-51D, flees 32 missions with the Tuskegee Airmen.
The craftsmanship on this P-51 is stunning. Look at how the panels are riveted.
We have to capture this exact texture.
This right here, the P-51 Mustang, was one of the most significant fighters of the war. Its range allowed bombers to reach Berlin and back.
This magnificent P-51 reminds us of the bravery displayed 70 years ago. We are here to...
This wing profile is key. It allowed for high speeds without sacrificing stability.
We can definitely apply these principles to the new drone concept.
The real challenge was sourcing the original Allison engine components. Nobody thought we could get her flying again.
And how long did that phase of the restoration take you?
The challenge isn't just restoring her, it's ensuring she lasts indefinitely.
Exactly. The environmental data we're collecting here is crucial for the long-term stewardship plan.